Good morning, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today is Monday, November the 4th, and today I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. And this reading here is for Gemini. Welcome, Gemini. We start with the Psychic Tarot card. Out came fulfillment of wishes. The card is one, if not the most positive, of the minor arcana cards in the tarot deck. And I think that card is the Page of Cups, if I'm right. So the card here represents emotional satisfaction, contentment, and enjoyment. Your wishes, they are coming true, is the message, and is asking you, are you ready? Happiness, success, good health, completion, and accomplishment of your dreams and goals, they are in the palm of your hand. So the card acts as a reminder to hold on to the beneficial feelings from accepting and receiving what you have asked for or strived for. Know that these will assist you in the future when you may need inspiration and positive energy. This is the right time to heal those past memories that have been holding you hostage. So forgive others and also yourself so that your wishes, desires, and goals have a clear, unobstructed path to your heart, your soul, and to your life. The second card is the Work Your Light Oracle card, and out came Unbound, saying release soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. So it is time to release old soul stories that have been playing out in your life. They are coming up to be healed, and there has never been a safer time to clear these patterns than right now. So take a look at the patterns in your life that you are ready to release. Ancient vows and contracts that your soul made might have an expiry date at the time. It could be a vow of silence or chastity or poverty. So it is time to unwind from them. This is the life in which you free yourself from any trauma of your past lives. What old ways of being have an expiry date in your life? When you name them, then you claim them and they stop holding any power over you. When acknowledging these old patterns, it is also important to acknowledge how they have served you up until now. For example, a soul pattern of playing small caused by a soul's fear of being seen or sharing your voice would have served you by keeping you safe. In order to grow, you now need to soften by receiving and calling in support. It is time to unbind from the old ways of being which no longer serve you. Work your light activation and say this: I release all old soul stories, vows, contracts, and patterns that are no longer aligned with who I came here to be in this present time. I carry the lessons, growth, and gifts, but I no longer choose to live the same story. May I be unbound, forever unbound. The Wisdom Oracle card for you is the Treasure Island. And the card is about the law of attraction, bringing dreams into fruition, the results of positive thinking made manifest, abundance appearing as if from nowhere, financial gains, and the sharing of your good fortune. The oracle's message is that you have worked hard and you acted upon your unwavering belief in abundance, and suddenly, in the midst of it all, you hit the jackpot. You have uncovered the map to a buried treasure, and you tapped the unlimited potential within you. What you must hone now is your ability to recognize when X is marking the spot, because some of these golden opportunities may be obvious, but others may not be so readily apparent. So trust your intuition to lighten your way now as you enter into this truly prosperous phase where all the long hard work navigating your inner life is now paying off externally. In all aspects of your life at this time, you have good fortune. Don't forget to enjoy it and share it with others, as a treasure shared will multiply like magic. There is a relationship message here. Your relationship is a treasure, providing even more than you need, but you may not see that right now. No matter how long you have been together, you and your partner are always discovering some hidden gems about yourself and about each other. Now is a time of discovery. It is as if everything is in sync and everything is new again. Romance blooms and love is in the air for you. You can be assured that this partnership will bring you great gifts and valuable lessons. So keep your heart open. The message of this card is to celebrate love and what it teaches you. There is a prosperity message as well here, saying that at this time you can be confident that success is yours. Your ideas, they are all hitting the mark, and you are in a true manifestation period when you will see evidence of the seeds of prosperity that you planted in the past. The appearance of this card in a reading indicates that your dreams and your aspirations align with concrete signs of prosperity in the world of form. This is a very auspicious and fortunate time for business. Creative projects, they will flourish as inspiration will strike. So open the door and find the abundance waiting for you to claim it. Now we come to the Priestess of Light card. That one is Sacred Breath and Sound. Sacred breath and sound relates to your life force and your communication. This priestess of the breath of life brings the light of the dolphin to you. This important totem animal has long been a symbol of the life force embodied in breath, in movement, and in sound. So the card is telling you to bring the dolphin's easy flowing pattern to the breath of your life force at this time. Healing is available to you now on both the physical and personal levels. Deep breathing can relieve stress, initiate and accelerate healing, and raise the resonant vibration of your chi or your life force. So if there is a physical issue or personal pattern that you want to resolve, spend some time in deep breathing and meditation and let yourself feel the fluid, peaceful influence it brings to your body and your life. Another sacred energy heralded by this card is the resonance of sound. The dolphins, they have a very special way of communicating by sending out clicks and then responding to their reverberations. So the card is calling your attention to how you communicate with yourself and with others. The aqua blue colors of the card reinforce the importance of this message, vibrating with the energy of the fifth or the throat chakra. It is your soul's directive to honor your self-expression. If you find it difficult to speak up sometimes, start by venting your difficult feelings in your journal. This healing process leads to a greater courage of expression in the future. It is time to share your feelings, voice your requests, and honor your right to speak out. So take a deep breath and practice communicating openly with others. The resonance of your breath and your sound, they will soon move your life forward with the freedom, fluidity, and sparkling joy of the dolphin's magical energy. Say this affirmation: I breathe deeply and express myself. My sound and my breath are sacred to me. The sacred destiny card that came out for you is Stillness, and the Stillness card relates to the frozen tundra. The tundra winters, they are very long, they are dark and cold, and this for about 6 to 10 months of the year. The temperature of the tundra is so cold that there is a layer of permanently frozen ground below the surface, which is called permafrost. And this permafrost belongs to the characteristics of the tundra biome. Tundra comes from the Finnish word tunturi, meaning a treeless plain. No trees there. This landscape is noted for its frost-molded place with little precipitation, poor nutrients, and a short growing season. And unlike other biomes, such as the taiga, the Arctic tundra is defined more by its low summer temperatures than by its low winter temperatures. One amazing fact is this: there falls less precipitation in the tundra than in the deserts, and the tundra plays an important role in the global climate system because of the capacity to act as a carbon sink. Because of the cold, wet conditions of the tundra, there is an extremely slow decomposition of organic matter, resulting in vast amounts of carbon being stored in the frozen permafrost. So when you get this card, Stillness, in your reading, the sacred landscape wants you to know this. Take a step back from a project, a situation, or relationship, even if for just a few moments. Mend some bridges and slow down. Breathe, be still, and go within and listen to your inner voice. Take time to connect with your spirit guides, your ancestors, and your spiritual guardians, and listen to your higher self. Timing here is everything. This is not a good time to start a new cycle, so wait and incubate. Fix things that need fixing, heal things that need healing. Think things through and forgive yourself and other people. If things seem barren or even bleak, hold on. Just as the migrating birds find new life in the tundra marshes in the summer, you too will expand once again during the coming thaw in your life. And the last card is the Sacred Forest Oracle card. I picked only the animal spirits of this deck. You got a frog spirit. And the frog spirit is about renewal. On the card we see a large golden brown frog sitting heavy on a lily pad in a still pond as a warm and sleepy dusk dissolves into the night. Its deep, sonorous song reverberates through the rising chirps of crickets, and the chorus of the frogs is joyous, seeming to echo loudly in your soul. A gaggle of tadpoles lurks at the edge of the pond, hidden and safe, and waiting with expectant patience until their metamorphosis occurs. The frog's three stages of development are the egg, the tadpole, and the fully formed amphibian, and so symbolize renewal, resurrection, and transformation. This card speaks of a profound restoration of your life that is occurring. It is never too late to begin again, is the message. If your past was less than successful, remember this: what has occurred does not need to mandate what will occur next. You can start out fresh and new. However, if you do what you have always done, then you might get what you have always gotten. In order to reboot your life, you need to do things in a different way. Abounding good luck is activated and is awaiting you. Reflect on the varying symbolism of the frog in different cultural traditions and see if any meanings resonate for you at this time. In ancient Egypt, the frog symbolized birth and rebirth. In certain Native American traditions, frog medicine is healing by virtue of its transformative life. And the ancient Celts, they believed frogs represented healing because of its connection with water and the way that it transforms from a tadpole to an adult. And in China, the frog is a powerful symbol of prosperity, healthy childbirth, and good luck. So the spirit of the frog says to you, be willing to release any preconceived notions of how life should unfold. This is a time to be adaptable. Be willing to change, and abundance and good fortune, they will follow. That was the reading for you, Gemini. Thank you for listening. I wish you a beautiful day. I wish you a wonderful week. I'm sending out love. Take care and goodbye.